sustainable, eco-friendly, all-natural. Bamboo is an excellent renewable resource to use for many products to save our planet. Paper products such as boxes and cups require deforestation, which destroys our Earth's wildlife population and ecosystem. As an earth-friendly material, bamboo is better for the environment in many ways. More oxygen for the planet, natural and chemical-free, 100% biodegradable. Bamboo also grows at a rapid rate to keep up with consumer demands for quality products. Our line of bamboo products at Total Papers is the perfect solution to an eco-friendly choice. Together, we can help you take that next step towards creating a sustainable future for all. Go green with Total Papers.